So this is in my dog's suitcase. A mat for his peanut butter, some poo bags, a light for his walkies, and then here are some snacks, sausages. He has cookies in it, this ball. This is for his dry food, some peanut butter. Here's all his 2 kinds of dry food. And then here are his toys. And this is for his wet food, a towel, a brush. And then, where's his water ball? Let's see. This is his water ball. We got a mat where we put the stuff on it. My doggy's suitcase. Whiskey, you all packed? Hey, let's go. So we got a little cheese platter. We already had them. Meant to film it, but forgot. Have a little bit of champagne. You in the night. Come on in.
Is this one?
No, it's outside.
Oh, I should go around this way. How do you get to?
Hi.
How do you get to the? How can you get to the bar? The bar.
Outside?
Outside. Can I go this way? Yeah.
With the dog? Yeah.
Merci.
Oh, merci beaucoup. Hey? Speak up on.
Je te l'ai trop dit, mais je te le dis quand même. Toi, mon amour, je t'aime.
Oh, this one. Do you not love mommy? Why you are so grumpy? So we're at Lake Annecy. So pretty here. Spider.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be...
Merci beaucoup. Au revoir, bonne journée. Yeah. 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 We can sit here.
Shadow plates.
Let's dig in. Raspberry. It was very tasty.
JD, yeah, Neil was good. A dog sleeping on the boat. Some whiskey is.
So we're off to the spa now. We went for a long, beautiful run around the lake. And yeah, spa time. Excuse me, Whiskey, do you want a dental stick before we go? Would you like a dental stick for mommy? Huh? Let's have a little look. Wait, oh, Whiskey! What? Go to bed. Whiskey, hier sieht's aus. Deine Cookies. Oh, you love your dental stick? Whiskey loves his dental stick, right? Whiskey, you love it? Hi, Butcher, can we sit here?
Yeah, of course.
Cheers, yeah. I'm so excited about that. Very good. I just need to be one more. Where are we going? Ruben, should we get limoncello?
Yeah?
Come.
Yeah, let's go over channel.
It's so busy on the street.
Get yourself in control, man. You're gonna get very fortunate.
I should do that. So, wait, there's people.
You know, humans are different.
So we just arrived in our second hotel. Food, please. Whiskey, go eat your food. Come on.
Heureusement, il n'y a pas eu de blessés. La seule victime étant le jardin. Oui, mais mon arrive. T'avais qu'à pas vouloir me remplacer par un robot.
Let's just set an alarm for 7.
No.
6.
Rob and Whiskey are running. And I'm gonna get ready.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
now.